Welcome to my channel. We are going to learn Nagy model of disability is one of the important question in third unit creating an inclusive school paper. In this model, Nagy used the term pathology, pathophysiology, impairment, functional limitation and disability. These are the important key word in this Nagy model of disability. Let's move on to the video. Terminologies associated with disability. First one is activity, function, health, quality of life, participation. The nature and extent of functioning. Then function. Activities essential to support physical, social and psychological well-being. Then state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Quality of life. The sense of total well-being that encompasses both physical and psychosocial aspect of the person's life. Participation. The extent of a person's involvement in his life situation in relation to impairments, activities, health conditions and contextual factors. Participation may be restricted in nature, duration and quality. So these are the terminologies associated with disability. Activity, function, health, quality of life, participation. Then these terms can be used to categorize clinical observations systematically. According to his definition, disease. What is disease? Disease is a pathological condition of the body or abnormal entity with a characteristics of group of signs and symptoms that affect the body. So, disease is a pathological conditions of the body. Then, signs or direct, observable and measurable evidence of physical abnormality, while symptoms are more subjective reaction to the physical abnormalities. Then we are going to see the impairments. Impairments are the result of pathology or disease states include any loss of abnormality of a physiologic, anatomic or psychologic structure or function. This is called impairment. For a patient with stroke, example of impairment that are direct result of pathology might include sensory loss, hemiplegia. Impairments may or may not be permanent. Sedentary impairments, indirect, or the sequel or complications. Then functional limitation. What is functional limitation? The restriction of the ability to perform the level of the whole person, a physical action, a task or activity, an efficient, typically expected or competent manner. Then disability. The term disability refers to the societal rather than individual functioning. It is defined as an inability to perform or a limitation in the performance of action, tasks and activities usually expected in specific social roles that are customary for the individual. The Nagy disability model, disease or pathology, lifestyle. Impairment, then functional limitation causes disability. Primary pathology, primary impairment causes functional limitation and leads to disability. A limitation of Nagy models of disabilities. Nagy is a unidimensional and unidirectional model of disability only. Does not account for impairments and functional limitation not due to pathology. So functional limitation due to obesity or due to sedentary lifestyles. Does not consider societal barriers, architectural and attitudinal. So these are the limitation of Nagy models of disability. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.